life better than the life I lived when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. And now my grandmama ain't the only one calling me baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and today I want to be the first to welcome you to the sweet life. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on board the beautiful harmony of the seas, y'all. We are moving up, and moving on up to the harmony, to a sweet in the sky. We're moving on up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're on the harmony of the seas, and we have a junior suite, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a junior suite room tour, but ladies and gentlemen, don't get caught up in just this video. Like, I know you guys are like, why did you not know this sooner, Stephanie? I don't know why I didn't know this sooner, but when you have a junior suite, you're in something that they call the C class, and your cruise card looks a little different, it's a little fancier, and you get certain perks. And I did not know about these perks, ladies and gentlemen. Like, for embarkation day, if you don't know, you didn't watch that music video, go back and watch it. We dine in the coastal kitchen, the sweet lounge. Like, it's really, really dope, the perks that come along with having this room, which is why you should go ahead and book you a junior suite on the Harmony of the Seas. I'm just saying. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this room today, but we're gonna enjoy some of the perks. I'm learning with you all the perks that come with being in the C class, which you do get priority boarding, which was great. I did enjoy that, and you get access to the coastal kitchen, sweet lounge, all that. But there's something different, you know. If you're not Star and Sky, they certainly let you know that you're not Star and Sky, but it's still cool to be C class. Anyway, before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Let's get into this junior suite room tour on board the what? Harmony of the Seas. All right, y'all. I am getting ready to show you the room. It's embarkation day today, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you how the room is gonna look as you walk in. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, we're walking in. This is your junior suite. I love, my favorite thing, y'all, are these lamps. They're so modern and homey, and I love the warm lighting. It's like gonna be so pretty in here at nighttime. You've got your king size bed that also splits in half in case you're trying to be like me and Jonathan and not reach around and wrench it off. You can split the bed in two. Nice little decor on the wall. Plenty of luggage storage case underneath the beds. I like to unpack my suitcases and store them underneath the bed so I don't have a pretty junky room. You've got plenty of storage space over here and here. Excuse my wine glass. I did have a glass in the sweet lounge. You've got your safe, plenty of storage space here. You've got your lovely vanity. Hi guys, I love this fanny pack, by the way. So cute. So you've got your cute little lighted mirror, right? Looks good. Another little vanity chair, very nice. You got your TV that does swivel around and out. Oh, it really does. Okay, nice. So let me back up. You can tilt your TV towards your bed, right? Nice view. You've got your let out modern little sofa like chaise lounge. You've got a fancy Royal Caribbean phone here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. You've also got, I love this, right here. Right here, this right here is what it do in these streets. That is awesome. So we've got a little artwork on the wall. Nice little, look at the little, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this, a hexagon? Is it a hexagon, right? Don't judge me if I'm wrong, but that's a cute little hexagon table. Another little reading chair. And let's just come over here so I can spin around and give you the whole room. Beautiful, right? Ah, I love it here. All right, let's go into the closet. What am I getting ready to sing? What am I getting ready to sing? Come on, y'all. Keep it in the closet. Burn it, you know you want it. The thing that makes me make the boys go crazy. No, I quit. I always mix Michael Jackson's Keep It in the Closet with Khaleesi's Milkshake. So get into it. That's what we do on here. Anyway, you got your walk-in closet. As I bump my head on the hangers, as I always do. I love the lighter colored shelving. It just gives it a nice modern feel. You've got your lovely Royal Caribbean robe. We will be partaking in that. So let me show you the inside. All right, so this is the view walking in the closet again. You've got your little robe. Oh, I need to fill that out because I need to have my costumes pressed. And they always have a special the first day of the cruise on laundry, by the way, in case you don't know. If you don't know, now you know. But that's your walk-in closet. Here's your view when you come out of the closet. Wash your hands, right? All right, folks. You know what's getting ready to go down, right? By this time, y'all should know the words. Y'all should be... When you saw this was a junior suite room tour, you should have already been warming those vocal cords up because we're getting ready to go in the bathroom, okay? Now, if you're new to my channel, I won't be mad at you. But if for my veterans, y'all know what we getting ready to go in here and sing. For my new people, I need you to pull out a notepad, take some notes, write down these lyrics because we are about to jam. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we in here. Let's count it down. 5, 4, season 3, 2, 1. Come on, y'all. We don't even got a curtain. We got a tub, and tubs are oh so cool. Oh yes, I said we got a tub. It's like a really nice warm pool. Take it up. Oh, we got a tub. I said it keeps your body clean. Oh yes, I said we got a tub. And it's oh so nice, not mean. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a tub available right here. No, I'm just saying it's not available, but write those words down. We got a tub, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you the rest of this bathroom. Okay, in real life, this is your bathroom. And what I really love is this. There's no curtain. You know what I'm saying? This is so nice to not have to pull back a curtain and have a proper like divider, and it opens up. Shut your face. Shut your entire face. Shut your entire face. We got a tub. We got a tub. Nice shower head. Everything is so shiny and sparkly and new. I mean, hey y'all. This is dope. And this is your view coming out of the bathroom. You've got your full-length mirror here. Hey, y'all. She looking good, ain't she? Hey, y'all. Okay, anyway. So, yeah. This is it, guys. I can't wait. 8-day cruise to Aruba, Curacao. I forgot where else we're going. Haiti. Everywhere. Guys, we cannot forget to balconize. Beautiful, extended, private balcony. It's like double the size than it is on the normal ships. You got 2 chairs. They also lay back, a little cocktail table. And I mean, this is your view. I guess we're the last ship to leave. There were ships here. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous day today in Fort Lauderdale. And then here is your balcony. I've already been out here editing videos, so the chairs aren't set up all nice and neat like they were. And then you walk in and here's your view. I've already moved in. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this Junior Suite full room tour. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Welcome to the sweet life, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Peace.
The lady still thanks you for watching.